Outlook tips: copy or reuse recipients from emails. Need to send a new email to everyone from an existing Outlook conversation? Instead of typing each address again, here are 2 practical ways to reuse recipients. Method 1. Reuse recipients from one email with reply all. First, select the email that contains the recipients you want to reuse. On the Home tab, click Reply All. In the pop-up dialog, still click Reply All. Outlook opens a reply message and automatically fills in the related recipients. The original sender and other recipients may appear in the To or CC fields. Remove any address you do not want to include in the new email. Then clear or replace the original subject and message content. Now you can use this message as a new email with the copied recipients. This is a quick workaround when you only need recipients from one email. But this method has 3 clear limitations. It only works well for one email. It requires repeated reply all steps. And it still needs manual address cleanup. If you want to collect recipients from multiple emails and reuse them later, try the next method. Method 2. Collect recipients into a contact group with Kutools for Outlook. After downloading and installing Kutools for Outlook, open Outlook and create a contact group first. In Outlook's Mail view, go to Home, New Items, More Items, and choose Contact Group. In the Contact Group window, enter a name for the group. Then click Save Close. Next, select the emails that contain the recipients you want to collect. Go to the Kutools Plus tab. And click Contacts. Choose Add the senders and multiple recipients of the selected emails to a contact group. In the pop-up window, review the addresses found in the selected emails. Keep the addresses you want to add, and clear any addresses you do not need. Then select the contact group you just created. Click OK or Apply. You can see the senders and recipients from the selected emails are added to the contact group. Now, when you create a new email, just choose this contact group in the To field. And all recipients are added at once. Compared with the Reply All method, Kutools is better for handling multiple emails at once. It gives you 3 clear advantages. First, collect recipients from multiple selected emails in one step. Second, review the found addresses before adding them to the group. Third, save the cleaned recipient list as a reusable contact group. So if you only need to reuse recipients from one email, Reply All can be a quick solution. But if you often need to collect recipients from multiple emails, Kutools for Outlook is faster, cleaner, and easier to manage. Kutools for Outlook with more than 100 essential and advanced features. Explore this AI-enhanced tool today.